So what we are going to explore in this video, guys, is how pointers work, like the one of the basic concepts of pointers, where how things are working when we are passing it by reference and passing it by value, and that's what we are going to learn right now. So imagine this thing as a memory. I'm just clearing some concepts for you guys. So this is our code, then these are our global variables, and this is our stack. This is where all of the local variables which we define in the functions go. This is the heap. We will discuss about these things in the further videos. Don't worry about this right now, but yeah, we are going to talk more about this part of the memory segment in this video. So let's just zoom out, and okay, so let's head to the program. So let's define integer as a which has value 10, and just print that integer. What we are going to get is a. Now if we print the value of address of a, which is going to be some hexadecimal value which we get here. That's the value which goes in some memory place in this stack in the memory. So whatever the number that we got here, for just clarity, let's just keep this number here. Okay, that's our variable a right here. So I hope the concept is clear until right now. So let's write a function where we want to increment this integer, and now let's see what happens. So now in this function we were supposed to get the value 11 here, but we didn't. So let's just see what's happening here. Let's see out a first, then the address of the a. We have to call the function as well. That's what we were not doing. So now if you guys can see, we just need to give proper end lines here just to get clarity. Okay, so as we can see right now here, the address of this variable is completely different than the address of our A. Let's keep that address here. And even if we didn't do anything with it, it will be different. So let's just take this address, keep it here, delete this one, and you guys can see the difference between these two addresses. So that's what I'm trying to say when we pass this A as a argument, functional argument. The copy of this variable A gets created in the function, and the memory is used, like different bunch of the memory is getting used, and that's how it is normally happening. And normally the variable which you are intending to change, it might not even be changing. So in this scenario, if you want this A to change, then we are going to use pointers. So we are going to point to the address of this A, and we just are going to add star here, which means dereferencing A. Dereferencing A means the address of A, like the thing which is present in the address of A. So we are going to do this, and we can delete this, and it should work. Okay, so as you guys can see, we incremented this variable from this function. So even if we right now get address of A here, it should be the similar one. Okay, so why these addresses are not similar is because the address that we are going for here is the address of the pointer variable. So we will dive into the concept of the addresses of the pointer variables, because when we are going to define pointer, it will have its own address as well. So that's what we are getting here. But for now, for this concept, I hope the concept is clear. I'll come up with the better explanation of the pointer variable, the address of the pointer, and I'll come up with the better explanation of how exactly dereferencing works, and what is referencing, what is dereferencing, what is ampersand. So stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much guys for watching.